told you it's going to be fine.
Did she not?
It's a duty to every nurse to take care of patients. You have to be there for the patient.
Former Winkler County nurse Ann Mitchell breathes a sigh of relief as she is found not guilty. In the final day of what's become known as the Winkler County Nurse trial, Ann Mitchell is vindicated. CBS 7's Bo Berman has been at the trial since day one. He joins us now in the studio with details from inside the courtroom. Bo?
Tatum, that's right. For months, we've watched this case unfold and have heard from medical professionals who say not only was Ann Mitchell's livelihood at stake, but the ability to report problems everywhere. Today, 12 jurors made a decision. With it comes a dramatic ripple effect and Mitchell's freedom.
I told you it's going to be fine.
Did she not?
For 10 months, it's been known across West Texas, the state, the country, as the Winkler County Nurse case. Today, it came to an end.
It's a duty to every nurse to take care of patients. You have to be there for the patient.
How frustrating has this been for you, this whole process? 8 months, 10 months, really 2 years?
It's been hard.
Extremely.
Very, very hard. From the day that we realized there were problems till now, it's just been an uphill battle.
After hearing an expert witness testify that Dr. Arafiles' conduct at the Winkler County Memorial Hospital did not meet the standard of care, the jury heard closing arguments during which the defense discussed a nurse's duty, and the prosecution said Ann Mitchell wrote her letter to the Texas Medical Board as a personal vendetta.
It is pretty ridiculous. It shouldn't have gotten as out of hand as it did.
Jury foreman Harley Tyler explained why they ruled not guilty.
We didn't find any malice in what she had done.
Winkler County Attorney Scott Tidwell says justice was served, regardless of the verdict.
Why were you prosecuting this to begin with, being that the nurses were sending it to the TMB?
Well, this case was handled just like any other case.
Mitchell's attorney John Cook says the opposite. It's a case unlike any other.
This verdict would have went the other way.
I'd have had a heart attack. The ripple effect would have been a ripple effect that you and I would have felt because people would die.
Vicki Galle sent the letter with Mitchell and faced the same charges until they were dismissed this month.
I feel vindicated now. Now that Ann's been found not guilty, then everything is good.
And she did her job. And by doing so, we hope that in her small way, she has encouraged other people with knowledge of questionable medical practices to come forward.
Forward is where Ann Mitchell and the nursing practice stand today. After a year of turmoil and almost ending up behind bars, Ann Mitchell doesn't regret what she did. She'd do it again in a heartbeat.
And I think that when we tell the truth, you don't have to worry about it. You do the right thing.
The criminal trial is now over, but a civil trial against Dr. Arafiles, Sheriff Roberts, Stan Wiley, and the Winkler County is forthcoming. Tonight at 10 o'clock, hear more from Ann Mitchell and find out what comes up next. Reporting in the studio, Bo Berman, CBS 7 News.